Have you ever lit a beautiful new candle only for the flame to tunnel straight down the middle, leaving half the wax wasted and a cloud of black soot in your room? Most large commercial candles take hours to pull properly, often trapping synthetic fragrance oil that causes instant head heaviness. You shouldn't have to waste your money or compromise your clean air just to enjoy a focused, cozy atmosphere. Welcome back. Today we're crafting a personal, zero-waste ritual companion, the Autumn Warmth Mini Candle. This little 1-ounce hand-poured project is a total reset button for your daily routine. Unlike massive glass jars, this size is engineered for a quick, exceptionally clean burn. It creates a perfect pool of scent within minutes, making it the ultimate companion for a quiet morning reflection or a focused afternoon deep work session. We are working with pure, sustainable soy wax base today. It's incredibly creamy, it melts down smoothly, and carries natural aromas beautifully without synthetic boosters. For our fragrance profile, we are layering 25 drops of our nostalgic pumpkin spice blend with 15 drops of liquid luck. This creates a beautifully sophisticated harmony. The bright, stimulating spice notes cut right through mental fatigue, while the deep clove and nutmeg give you that grounded, comforting autumn warmth without feeling heavy or overwhelming. The process is completely stress-free. First, secure your wick sticker to the metal base of your cotton wick. Peel the backing and press it firmly into the bottom of your tin. That sticker keeps the wick anchored safely as the wax gets low. Now, for the best part, no messy pouring pots required. Simply place the open bag of soy wax completely upright inside a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it on high for 2 minutes. When you pull it out, it should look perfectly clear, golden, and fully liquid. Once it's melted, drop your essential oils right into the bag. Here is my favorite pro tip for candle making. Slowly stir your mixture for a full 60 seconds. This guarantees the essential oils bond completely with the wax molecules so your scent remains consistent from the first burn to the last. Carefully pour the wax into your container. Then thread your wick through the centering tool and rest it on the rim. This prevents the wick from flopping over while the candle hardens over the next 24 hours. Once it sets, simply trim your wick down to 1/4 inch and your candle is ready to enjoy. If you've ever felt intimidated by candle making, this kit shows you just how clean and simple it can be. We handle all the hard parts by sending the precise wax quantities, custom matched wicks, specialized centering tools, and pure oil straight to your front door. You get to skip the messy craft store guesswork and jump straight into creating a toxin-free space. When you light this, it'll be sweet, bright, and wonderfully cozy without a hint of that artificial chemical sharpness. It instantly grounds the room. When you finish pouring your mini candle, take a picture and share it in our Facebook group with the hashtag #IMadeThis. We love checking out your creations, and you'll automatically be entered for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. See you in the next video.